So if you guys go to the gun range all the time, you know that these things are crucial. So not only am I coming here for the actual system itself, but you also want to protect your ears. So if you come to the range, you're going to be able to hear that. But imagine close range, all right? Now, these things are going to protect you from the actual noise because they have noise cancellation. They also have the Bluetooth, and they're perfect for anywhere that you want to take out there. So one of the best ear protection is this thing. I mean, I've taken it to 3 places, to be honest with you, and I am so pleased and really like this. And it's really light for my head, especially when I'm bald. And I take this with me with pretty much on job sites. I'm doing some sort of repairs or to the gun range. Now, you do have a couple of systems in here. You do have to turn it on in order to do the noise cancellation. You could use this as a Bluetooth to actually transmit your music and so forth, not just the regular basic headphones to cover the audio outside, but actually to enjoy the music too. Now, it's very comfortable, if you guys can see. It's well built. It has retractable metal pieces here, right here in the edge, all right? And of course, flexible. That's what I like about it. Let me retract it a little bit more, and I'm gonna show you how actually I set it up. Now, when you have to recharge it because there's built-in lithium batteries in here, and the charging station's right underneath of it, Type C. I'm gonna turn it on so you guys can see Bluetooth. It's gonna say enabled, and you get an audio response in here. There's a menu in here. There's a forward and back for in case you want to listen to music. Like I said, turn it off. It's just hold on the button and it turns off. Now, this thing is durable, and I'm gonna show you it does fit on my head perfectly fine. And even if I'm wearing glasses, all right, so I just wanted to show you that you can still wear your glasses. Now, I can't hear anything, and I haven't even turned on the actual power, and that's how good this thing is. Now, one of the things I like about it is that they also give you a little bag, a little leather bag. You put it in there. If you're not using it, keep it with you in all time, either in your car, or if you're going to the gun range, take it with you with the rest of your luggage, right? So whenever you're in the range, make sure you take your ear protection, even if it's not even close by. Just make sure, because it started ringing. But these, very comfortable, easy to use. If you're going to take them out to the range, I hope you guys enjoyed the video.